Today we're going to look at the SAM4s SPS-530R. It's a great cash register for all types of retail applications. There are multiple versions of the 500 series from SAM4s. This is the 530R. There's also a 530F. There's a 520R and a 520F. The R indicates raised, and that means the raised keys like you see here. The F would indicate flat, so more of a flat micro motion keyboard for a restaurant. We're looking at the R again today. The difference between the 520 and the 530, this happens to be a 530 as you can see here. The 530 has a single station printer, so I've just opened the receipt cover and you can see there's one printer here. It's a very large roll, it's a 3 1/8 inch roll, and it issues a receipt only. There is no way to keep a printed journal with this register. And again, that's the 530R. The 530F has a flat keyboard. The 520R and the 520F both have a receipt and journal printer, which I'll show you later in a different video. So the 530R is a great register for all types of retail applications, convenience stores, liquor stores, smoke shops, gift shops. Does very well with barcode scanning. And as you can see with this one, I've attached a barcode printer, so I can even print my own barcodes directly from the cash register. One of the unique things about the 500 series, the entire 500 series, is they feature a 7-inch color touchscreen. This is the only touchscreen available on a commercial grade cash register. The touchscreen is very, very nice because it allows you to do several different things. You can speed up your transactions, but it also makes it much easier when you go to X or Z or program. As you can see, it's menu driven. So I've turned the key to program. I'm going to press POU and we're going to add or change a POU. And at this point I can just simply scan the item that I want to add, and it's going to go straight into it. And here, as you can see, it's menu driven. I can just fill in the blanks, the price, the tax status, the status group, the name, all of that. When I'm done, I hit close. It's much, much easier than traditional cash registers. Now, I just errored there because I didn't finish the programming. So we're going to go back and close that screen, and go back out to the register mode. So on this particular machine that I'm showing you, I've got it connected to a 3780 scanner, which is a presentation scanner. It is also handheld. You can just pick it up out of the stand if you would like. This is an omnidirectional scanner, meaning it shoots out an array of lasers, if you can see those there, instead of just a single line. The advantage to that is it scans faster and you don't have to line anything up. So if I'm going to scan this Sprite bottle, as you can see, it's very fast. So it just makes it faster for your clerks, faster to program, faster to use. So now we've got a couple things rang up. I'm going to hit subtotal, and we're going to tender in $10 from the speed tendering button right directly on the touchscreen. Cash drawer opens up. You can see it's a nice 5-bill, 5-coin drawer. It does remove, and it also has media slots on the front of it, and you can program this register not to open for checks or for credit card, and then just slide the drafts or the card through the front. If you're looking at this big number here, that's just the model of the cash drawer that this particular register comes with. 530s, or all the 500s, have a rear display as well. It's kind of hard to see in this video, but it is right here. And it shows the item and the price for the customer. The front display is adjustable, moves up and down. Also, you can control the brightness. As you can see on this particular keyboard, this is the factory standard keyboard. It has 15 large category buttons where you're going to ring in sales, your 10 pad, and then a host of different function keys. So if I wanted to ring up a sale in the beer category, $14.99 beer, and of course that puts that right up there. Gives you a running subtotal with tax if you're in a state that charges tax. If I want to use the speed tendering key, I've programmed quite a few on the cash register, so I'll just hit $20 key. We're ready for the next transaction. It did not print a receipt because we have the receipt on demand. So I'll just hit the receipt issue, and here's our receipt. This particular machine can also do a graphic logo instead of just the business name. It looks very, very nice, easy to load. A couple unique features with the 500 series, all the 500s, whether they're 20s, 30s, Rs, or Fs, is they also have a USB port, as you can see right there. That USB port can accommodate a keyboard if you want to do your programming through a keyboard. It will also allow you to back up the register. The register also has an SD card port and a compact flash port for additional memory. This machine, as I mentioned earlier, I did attach a barcode printer. So if we wanted to print our own barcodes, I'm going to show you how easy it is. We just turn the key to program. We're going to go to POU, add and change. We're going to scan the item that we want to program. You could have also just entered the number or pressed the button. We're going to choose print barcode, and we're going to print 1. We formatted this just to print a nice big shelf tag. So there it printed with the barcode, the price, and the description. And of course you can change a lot of the different layout and what prints and what does not print there. If you have any questions at all, call us at the cash register guys. We are experts in this machine. We deploy them all over North America. We also are experts at connecting this particular machine to credit card payments with or without EBT. As you can see on this particular register, we just have a standard credit card reader, but it will interface with EBT and EMV pin pads. Give us a call. Thanks a lot.